Remember, I promised y'all a couple of minutes ago that I was going to be sharing a wonderful dip that you can make up and give as a gift. It's so good, so simple. And all I'm going to do is add dry ingredients to my bowl. And I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup of dried parsley, 1/4 cup of ground cumin, 1/4 cup of dried chives, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of dried minced onion, and 1/3 cup of chili powder. Now we're just going to mix this up. We're going to store this in a jar, and when we're ready for a dip, all we have to do is pull this out of our pantry and mix it with 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of sour cream. So all we're going to do now is we're going to take our cup of mayonnaise, our cup of sour cream, and we're going to add 3 tablespoons of our dry mix. And then I'm going to stir this together, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for a couple of hours, because it's going to take a little while for all those flavors to develop. Okay, now look at that dip. It really needs to sit for a couple of hours, but I can't wait that long. And this is great with vegetables or a veggie potato chip. It's really, really good.